Yezo le ndawo le ikhala mangabe ku 0 izokhala ithi ukubhodla kancane. It will sound lower. Sounds bad, yeah. See, if I go -12, this part will sound like this one right now. That's it. Do you get me? This is what I wanted to teach. Okay, moving on. Okay, if you are playing with if you are playing with F sharp, okay. Also it's the same thing, guys. It's the same thing. +1 is equivalent to -11. +2 is equivalent to -10. +3 is equal to -9. Also it's something like that, guys, on every key. C#, C, every key. If you're transposing, that's equal. Just as on the negative side, it's like you are playing with the lower octave. On the positive side, you are playing with the higher octave. You see, that's it. That's the difference, guys. Hope you enjoyed these videos. That's it, guys. Catch you on the next tutorial. You know that guys, I need more subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, subscribe, like the videos, comment down below, spread the word, share the videos. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Donate with airtime, God will bless you, or donate with my e-wallet or money. My details are below. That's it, guys. Transpose will never be a problem again. Okay, have a great day.